Everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is chapter 3 of class 6, that is mail merge. So here we will be learning about word processor mail merge. So this is very important feature of the word processor. In this chapter we will learn about what is the work of mail merge, how to create mail merge document, creating recipient list, inserting merge field, how to view merge data and printing the letters. So first of all we should know that what this mail merge is all about. Mail merge basically allow us to send the same letter to a large number of people without having manually change of the name, address and the contact details of the recipients. It is very beneficial because they are much faster and automatic as compared to the manually change of address and name of the recipients. Okay. So mail merge feature of the Microsoft Word used to combine two things, that is data source and main document. The data source is the addresses of all the recipients and main document is letter. Students, for example, you are having a birthday in the next month and you want to invite all your friends, so you will be sending an invitation letter to them. So that letter will be having two things. One is the main document, right? And the second thing is data source, means the addresses of all your friends. See, so what these features will do? It will save our time and energy. How? For example, you create a beautiful invitation letter on your Microsoft Word. Now one by one you will be entering the addresses of all your friends. One by one you will keep entering your friends information and then you will be printing them, birthday invitation and the addresses of your friends. Data source will be created, letter will be made and then one by one will keep merging and preparing the letter to send them. So these are three things that you should know completely. That what are data source, main document and merge field. Data source consists of mailing list, for example name, addresses, city, PIN, phone number, house number of the recipients. Main document, it contain letter or contain the text that we wish to send to the recipients. And about merge field, it is the data item such as name, address which instruct Microsoft Word where to insert data source information in the main document. Okay. So mail merge involve three basic steps. First, you have to create the main document. If you are sending letter, first you have to prepare the letter that you wish to send. Second, you have to specify the data source. And third, you have to merge the data source with the main document. So let's do it practically. See, this is your word processor. Now here we have sixth tab, that is mail merge. From the sixth tab you can remember that our mail merge will be having six steps. So you will click here in mailing. Now step by step mail merge wizard. You will get this side pane here by default. This letter option will be selected. See, first one, letter option is selected. To select the type of document, is it a mail or envelope or label or directory? So we will use letter. Now next is starting document. Then use the current document, means we will making our letter here, means this letter, this page will be made as a letter. So this document will be used now. Select the recipient. Use the existing list, means if the list is made already then you will be using that. If it is not made, type a new list. Now click here, you will click on create. You will get this box in front of you. Okay, now student, you can see here Title is the first option, then first name, last name, company name, address line 1, and we have a lot of options here. So we don't enter this much information to send a letter. So for that we will go in the customize column option. We will customize it. So the things we don't want, we will delete them. Suppose we don't want title, we delete it. Okay, then we don't want company name, so delete it. We will enter one address, so we will delete it. Zip code we don't want, state we don't want. So whatever things you want here, you will keep those, and whatever you don't want, you can delete it. Okay, now even you can add some. Suppose you will be entering the name, last name, city, house number, phone number. Okay, now click on OK button. So this much information we need to enter. Now here we'll be making a list. Our first name is, let's say friend is Kabir, and Kabir Singh. Then city is Panchkula, then house number, then phone number. Then we will come down, we will click on new entry. Then we will enter Riddhim Kumar, Panchkula, phone number. Both I had mentioned for Panchkula so that they can come together. Phone number. So again we will click on new entry. Then write the next entry, that is Arnika Sharma, city Chandigarh, house number is this, and then phone number. So this is the way we will create a data source. I will click OK. One more entry, and when you create all the data list, all the address of the recipients, then click on OK button. Okay, now save it as an invitation. It is getting saved in data source. See at the top, click save and then click OK. These name has been selected. So all these will be entered one by one. So I will click OK. Now write your letter. So we will be writing our letter. Dear friend, I am glad to tell you that after a long time I am organizing my birthday party at my home. There will be lots of fun, dance, games and surprises. Looking forward for your presence. I will be very happy. Presence spelling. Then I will be very happy to have you at my place. See you soon. See you soon. Your loving friend, John. So this is the letter. Data source has been created. Now I will bring my cursor as the top because I want to enter the data source item here. So wherever you want to enter the address, take your mouse pointer at that place. Now go to the more items. Now insert. First name, See one thing. Here it is shows the first name, then last name, select it, then insert city, house number, phone number and close it. Now you see everything has been added in a single line. As it is, it will be appear. So I don't want that, so I will bring it down. So first and last name, then house number, then phone number. Okay. Then phone number. Now preview your letter. Here this is the option to preview recipient 1. Then I will click, then recipient 2, then recipient 3, recipient 4. One by one just keep moving this arrow button and keep taking your print out. Okay. So now last step is complete the mail merge and print. So this is how you can perform mail merge. So there are total 6 steps. They are very easy. One, you need to create the main document, and second, you need to have the data source. Means you need to store all the addresses to whom you want to send the letter at one place. Okay.